We came here for the birds. It's all we care about. Those amazing avian delights. Can watch them day and night. Generic birdies were selling if short. Should have got creative. Like a birdie at Royal Melbourne would be a magpie or other native. Good call on the eagle. That bird is a boss. But I don't know if he got them hands enough to drop an albatross. And obviously a hole-in-one on a par 5 is a Quetzalcoatlus. Good call on the eagle. That bird is a boss. But I don't know if he got damn hands enough to drop an albatross. Obviously a hole-in-one on a par 5 is a Quetzalcoatlus.